back to the Berkeley Chefs channel. I'm Kayla Berkeley, and today we are going to make lemonade with real lemons. So this lemonade will be homemade. It will be a homemade lemonade. It rhymes. We have here our cane sugar, salt, and mint. We also have lemons, and we will also be using water. First, gonna cut up our lemons and juice them with a juicer, like here. Now, if you don't have a juicer, you can also use a hand juicer, which is totally fine. But since we have a juicer, we'll use the juicer. So we're gonna get started cutting these lemons. But first, I see a green one here. Just put your lemons in here and you press it down and squeeze the juice out, and the juice comes out here. So since we have a juicer, we'll just juice it. Now you don't know how much lemon juice you're getting out of the lemons you have. That's why we have to first juice our lemons. So we can then measure, and then we can add the right amount of water and sugar. Now we have our lemons squeezed out and juiced. Now push this to the side here. Take this up. Okay. And with the rest of this pulp, we are going to squeeze. Now we're gonna see how much lemon juice we have. Just pour it. Ooh, lot of lemon juice. Okay, so we're gonna get a measuring cup and measure. So we measure out and we had over a cup of lemon juice. So for this recipe, we will only be using 1 cup of lemon juice. So we're gonna pour it into our lemonade glass. 1 cup of lemon juice going right in. That is strong. And we also put some lemon slices in for garnish. Woo-hoo. That should be good enough. And we're gonna head over to a pan and dissolve the sugar with our water. So we're gonna turn on our fire and add in our 1 cup of water, since we had 1 cup of lemon juice, and our sugar. We're gonna gently stir until all the sugar is dissolved.
Oh, hi Kayla. What you making?
Lemonade. But we first have to make the simple syrup.
Did I give it a mix?
Sure. Okay, so the sugar is dissolved and we are going to pour it into our lemonade glass. Pour our sugar water into the glass. And we're gonna put our salt because it has minerals and electrolytes. We're gonna put in some mint.
So you're almost done.
Oh yeah. Let's give it a stir.
Really good.
And our last step is the water.
I'll help you with that if you like.
Sure, you can pour in the water. Ooh. Okay. Gonna put our ice on. Ice. More ice. We're gonna put this in the fridge to chill, and then we'll serve it out. Hi there, it's Caleb. A quick note. Tomorrow we'll be posting the benefits of lemon. If you're interested, make sure to come back tomorrow. But more importantly, join our free email list where you will get notified. You can join it at berkeleychefs.com/join the list. See you there tomorrow. Bye! So now we took out our lemonade out of the fridge. We let it chill for about an hour and a half, and we're gonna drop some ice cubes into a glass. And we're gonna pour lemonade. And we'll call Elijah to come and taste. Oh, he's already here. Oh, hi. Here's your lemonade.
This lemonade is, yes, the perfect sweetness. It's cool and refreshing.
Yes, it is just absolutely delicious. The mint we add in there adds that delicious minty flavor to it. You guys should totally try this recipe out.
Yes.
100% good. This homemade lemonade will be a hit. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to share this video with your friends and family so that they will learn how to make homemade lemonade. And we see you in another video next time.
Bye.
Bye.